How to create a watch list on Netflix. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a watch list on your Netflix, firstly launch a Netflix account. Sign in into your account. Now once you are in here, browse through the show or the movie that you want to add in your watch list. Or you can even search for the content by tapping on the search icon. Now for an example, if I want to add one of the shows in my watch list, all I need to do is simply tap on it. Then over here you should find this plus sign icon that says My List. By tapping on it, the show or the movie will be added to your watch list. Once added, to find your watch list, just tap on My Netflix option. From here, you can tap on My List where you'll find every shows or content that you have added in your watch list so far. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.